Most service business owners are losing customers every single day because of one simple thing: not enough Google reviews. Here's the truth no one tells you. People don't just choose the best service, they choose the service that looks the most trusted. In this video, you will learn how to get more Google reviews for your service business using simple, proven methods that actually work in 2026. You will see how real businesses are getting consistent 5-star reviews without begging customers. And stick around, because in a minute, I'll show you the biggest mistake that stops most customers from ever leaving a review. Let's start with the core idea. A Google review is not just feedback. It is a trust signal. When someone searches for a plumber, cleaner, or electrician, they almost always choose the business with more and better reviews. Now here is where it gets interesting. Most business owners think customers will automatically leave reviews if they are happy. But that almost never happens. Happy customers stay silent. You have to guide them. First, timing is everything. The best time to ask for a review is immediately after the job is completed, when the customer is still impressed. For example, Jake, a handyman in Chicago, doubled his reviews just by asking right after finishing the job instead of waiting until later. But here's the problem. Most people ask in a confusing or awkward way. They say, "Can you leave me a review sometime?" That never works. So instead, you need a simple and direct message. Something like, "Hi Alex, glad I could help today. If you have a second, could you leave a quick Google review? It really helps my small business grow." Short, polite, and easy to follow. Now here's where most people fail again. They send the link, but do not guide the customer. If someone has to search for your profile, they will not do it. So always send a direct review link. One click only. No friction. That alone can double your response rate. In a minute, I'll show you how to turn every job you complete into a consistent review machine without sounding pushy. Now let's go deeper. Another powerful method is using QR codes. You can place a small QR code on your invoice, business card, or even your van. When customers scan it, they go directly to your review page. John, a cleaning business owner in Texas, gets most of his reviews this way without even asking every time. But here's something important. You should never offer fake incentives like discounts for reviews. That violates Google policies and can harm your ranking long term. Always keep reviews real and honest. Another strategy is automation. Tools like WhatsApp Business or CRM systems can automatically send a review request message after a job is marked complete. This removes the need to remember every time. Now, imagine this. You finish a job, the customer gets a polite message instantly, clicks one link, and leaves a 5-star review while the experience is still fresh. That is how top businesses scale trust. So here is the takeaway. Getting more Google reviews is not about luck or begging customers. It is about timing, simplicity, and removing friction from the process. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment your business type, and subscribe for more practical strategies that help you grow your service business faster and build real trust online.